Topic: 1.7 Periodic Properties of Elements and Shielding Effect. Hello students. Today, we will discuss periodic properties of elements and shielding effect, two very important concepts in chemistry. Let's start with the modern periodic law. The modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. This law forms the foundation of the modern periodic table. Now, what is periodicity? Periodicity is the repetition of similar physical and chemical properties of elements after regular intervals in the periodic table. But what causes periodicity? The main cause of periodicity is the repetition of similar Valence shell electronic configurations after regular intervals. For example, lithium, sodium, and potassium all have one electron in their outermost shell. Lithium has the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. Sodium has 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Potassium has 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Since all these elements have one valence electron, they belong to the same group and show similar chemical properties. However, in multi-electron atoms such as helium, sodium, and phosphorus, the valence electrons are attracted by the nucleus but are also repelled by inner shell electrons. Due to this repulsion, the valence electrons feel a reduced attraction from the nucleus. This decrease in nuclear attraction is called the shielding effect. The shielding power of subshells follows the order S greater than P greater than D greater than F. The S subshell provides the greatest shielding because it is compact and penetrates closer to the nucleus. The D and F subshells provide weaker shielding because they are more diffuse in nature. Finally, let's discuss effective nuclear charge. The actual attractive force experienced by the outermost electron after accounting for shielding is called the effective nuclear charge, represented by Z effective. It can be expressed as
Z effective equals Z minus S,
where Z is the nuclear charge and S is the shielding constant. In summary, periodicity arises due to the repetition of similar electronic configurations, shielding reduces nuclear attraction on valence electrons, and effective nuclear charge represents the actual attraction felt by an outer electron. Thank you for listening, and keep learning with ZIZA Chemistry.
Dr Zie Ule, ph.d. Chemistry.
Assistant Professor of Chemistry.